Did you know that $10,000 invested today could grow to over $1 million, and you don't have to win the lottery or have a massive salary to do it? The secret is compound interest. Let's break it down. Welcome back to Simply Money. Today, we're looking at compound interest and how it's one of the most powerful tools in personal finance. It's how average people build extraordinary wealth by letting time do the heavy lifting. But most people underestimate just how far it can take you and how long it takes to accumulate that $1 million. Let's look at a chart that really breaks down the power of compounding over the years. As you can see here, earning your first $100,000. Now this is with the assumption of a $10,000 annual contribution and a 7% annual return. If you look at this, you see it takes 7.84 years to accumulate your first $100,000. As we continue moving on, you see the second $100,000 takes 5.1 years. That's 2.5 years quicker to achieve the same amount. As we look at the third $100,000, it takes 3.78 years. And then when we go to $400,000, it takes 3.01 years. See, at 7.84 years, the 100K, you are 25% of the way to the $1 million. As far as time is concerned, time-wise, you're 25% of the way. That's why so many people say it's so important to set that milestone, that first 100K, get there as quickly as possible. Then time does the heavy lifting for you with compounding. At $400,000, you are well over halfway there in the time frame it will take you to reach $1 million. We're going to look at this a little further now. At $500,000, it takes 2.5 years to get that next 100K. Then 2.14 years to get to 600K. Now you're not even taking 2 years to go from $600,000 to $700,000. Remember, it took 7.84 years to go to the first $100,000. Now the 6 to 700,000 took under 2 years. Then 7 to $800,000, 1.66 years. $900,000, you're 1.5 years, 1.49 years. And then that last $100,000 to reach that $1 million portfolio takes 1.35 years. That to me is amazing. As you see that power of compounding, it takes just over a year to add $100,000 when you've accumulated this amount. It takes less time to go from 600,000 to $1 million than it did to go from 0 to 100,000. It takes over a year less time to reach that last $400,000 than it did to reach that first $100,000. That's the power of compounding. Don't let things discourage you. Time in the market will pay off. Be patient, continue to add to it, and watch as compounding begins to accelerate. The longer you hold stocks, the longer you hold your portfolio, the higher this line goes, the steeper it gets because the faster it's growing. You're adding money upon money. This $100,000 has been accumulating and growing for these years, and you're adding to it. Compound is one of the most powerful features of investing that is so often overlooked. If you like this video, if you like this chart, this type of visual, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps us get these videos out to more people to help them reach their financial goals. I appreciate you joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so when future videos come out, you're notified. And we'll see you next time on Simply Money.